the aircraft at 314 kilometers. So
beyond visual range, did not cross borders, but we had inflicted heavy damage from our borders. So in the 9th night and 10th, Pakistan had attempted things, and this is where you will remember, there was an interception of a Pakistani missile all the way in Sirsa. Not all the way, Sirsa, nearby.
Sir Creek.
No, Sirsa. Pakistan had escalated in a major way. 10th May, this video is from 10th May, early morning. पर रात को इन्होंने फायर किया था सिरसा में, which our interceptors knocked it down over there.
Which they said that this is part of the Rafale, which they have hit. This is what their media was saying, कि ये जो चला रहे हैं, this is their aircraft.
Our teams on the ground sourced this video from the locals over there, and there are enough videos out there which can clearly ascertain that this was a good sort of interception that happened.
This was a fateh.
Whatever it is. So now my point is terms of reference again. Now Pakistan is very near Delhi. They are attacking our critical infrastructure. They're attempting.
See. Let me go a little behind. First, they attempted drones at the low altitude. They got overwhelmed.
Yes.
Then they went a little higher. They kept testing their systems. They kept going higher. And then finally, it was their distress, I will call, that यार कुछ नहीं हो रहा, अब फायर कर ही दो. वो उसके अंदर ये they tried Delhi और ये भी गिर गया. But they kept the thing. Next war is going to be about. It's like इन्फेंट्री में होता था ना कि एक पोस्ट के ऊपर 3 कंपनी अटैक करेंगी तो जीतेंगे. It's overwhelming the post. Now it is how much of air defense missiles and systems that you have that you can overwhelm them, or they have that they can overwhelm you.
Sustaining a defense.
Sustaining a defense.
And how many days can you do it?
And
Atmanirbhar comes in here.
Yes,
you have to have your systems which can repeatedly, instead of looking left, right and center for aid, you have your Atmanirbhar defense systems placed in your country.
Did it work, Colonel Pavitran?
So let me come back to this. I listened very carefully about the S-400. Now, S-400 is also with Turkey. Okay, and if Turkey is that intimately involved in bolstering Pakistan, we need to be careful. Because they, by participating in that exercise, which I pointed out, they got a profile of Rafale, which would have definitely helped them. Already, our basic defense S-400 is with their supporting country. Okay? And like he correctly said, this is a test. And there is China standing. I told you, there's already an army standing out there. And this is the changing world order at the time of conflict. We should not look at this and feel exuberant, oh, we dominated the escalation matrix.
We were still on borrowed.
Okay.
A mix.
Whatever.
So this time we can say it was not completely, but
dependency.
But if you ask me, the real heroes of the people, the systems which stood out, S-400
and legacy defense systems.
Legacy
like Pichora,
like Pichora and all, they were there. But main hero of the air defense was S-400.
Yes.
To tackle the bigger birds and missiles, and
Akash tha ki kya tha?
Akash, MR-SAM,
and offensive,
Spider.
I'm guessing you're saying BrahMos.
Do subscribe to the ANI Clips channel to get shorter versions of this podcast. Click here to watch the full episode.